Welcome to Tool Mentorship, the ultimate destination for honest and detailed tool reviews. Are you searching for the best budget chainsaws that provide professional-grade performance without emptying your wallet? You're in the right place. Today, we'll take a deep dive into 5 of the most reliable, affordable chainsaws that combine power, durability, and efficiency for every need. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIYer, we'll explore the Dewalt DCCS620B Compact Chainsaw, a top choice for lightweight cordless convenience. Then, there's the Greenworks 12-inch 40V cordless chainsaw, perfect for eco-conscious users who value clean performance. Next, the WORX WG303.1 Powered Chainsaw steps up with exceptional power for tough jobs. We also have the Earthwise CS33016 electric corded chainsaw, a fantastic tool for those who prefer a reliable electric model. And finally, the Craftsman CMXGSAMA426S Gas Chainsaw brings robust gas-powered capabilities at an unbeatable price. Before we get started, make sure to check the description box and pinned comment for direct links to these amazing chainsaws. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews and tips on budget-friendly tools. Let's get right into it. Dewalt DCCS620B Compact Chainsaw. The Dewalt DCCS620B Compact Chainsaw is a cordless wonder that combines portability with power. Featuring a 12-inch bar and chain, it's an ideal tool for light-duty tasks like pruning trees, cutting branches, and managing storm debris. Its brushless motor ensures a longer runtime and extends the lifespan of the chainsaw, while the low kickback design enhances safety during use. Weighing only 88 pounds, this chainsaw is incredibly easy to handle and maneuver, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who prioritizes comfort. The tool-free chain tensioning system means you can adjust the chain quickly without additional tools. It's powered by Dewalt's 20V Max battery system, so if you already own Dewalt tools, you can interchange batteries for added convenience. While it's not designed for heavy-duty cutting, the Dewalt DCCS620B is an excellent option for homeowners looking for a reliable and quiet chainsaw that doesn't compromise on quality. Be sure to check the description for the product link if you're interested. Greenworks 12-inch 40V Cordless Chainsaw. The Greenworks 12-inch 40V cordless chainsaw offers an eco-friendly alternative without sacrificing performance. This chainsaw is powered by a 40V lithium-ion battery, providing a balance between power and convenience. Its 12-inch bar and chain are perfect for light to medium tasks, such as cutting firewood or trimming trees. One of its standout features is the automatic oiler, which keeps the chain consistently lubricated to enhance cutting performance and durability. Weighing just 6 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to use for extended periods. Plus, its push-button start eliminates the hassle of pull cords, making it especially appealing to beginners. While the Greenworks chainsaw is cordless and easy to carry around, it's best suited for smaller jobs. Still, for anyone seeking a quiet, emission-free chainsaw, this is a fantastic option. Grab yours through the link in the description. WORX WH3.1 Powered Chainsaw. The WORX WH3.1 Powered Chainsaw is a powerful, corded model that punches well above its price point. It boasts a 16-inch bar and a 14.5 amp motor, making it perfect for medium to heavy tasks like cutting larger logs or handling intense yard work. This chainsaw comes equipped with an auto-tensioning system, which ensures the chain remains in top shape without over-tightening, adding to the tool's longevity. Safety is a priority here, with built-in chain brakes to prevent accidents. Although it requires an extension cord and a power source, the WORX WH303.1 is a reliable, powerful, and affordable choice For homeowners who don't mind staying tethered to an outlet, if it sounds like what you need, check the description for the product link. Earthwise CS620B Electric Corded Chainsaw. The Earthwise CS620B Electric Corded Chainsaw is a highly reliable electric chainsaw that won't hurt your wallet. With its 16-inch bar and a 12-amp motor, this chainsaw is designed for light to medium-duty work. Whether you're trimming branches or cutting small logs, it gets the job done without a hitch. Its tool-free chain tensioning system and automatic oiling mechanism ensure convenience and efficiency during use. At under £10, it's lightweight and comfortable to use, even for extended projects. This chainsaw is perfect for budget-conscious users looking for an electric model that delivers reliable performance. Interested? Don't forget to check the description box for the link. Craftsman CMXGSAMA426S 2-cycle chainsaw. The Craftsman CMXGSAMA426S 2-cycle chainsaw is a gas-powered beast that offers excellent value. Equipped with a 16-inch bar and a 4012 tough 2-cycle engine, this chainsaw can handle tougher tasks like cutting thick logs or clearing large branches. It features an automatic oiling system and an easy start technology that reduces the effort needed to get it running. While slightly heavier than electric chainsaws, the Craftsman CMXGSAMA426S compensates with the power and mobility of a gas engine. If you're in need of a powerful, budget-friendly gas chainsaw, this one is worth considering. Check the description box and pinned comment for the link. Thanks for tuning in to our comprehensive review of the best budget chainsaws. From the cordless convenience of the Dewalt DCCS620B to the powerful gas performance of the Craftsman CMXGSAMA426S, we've covered a range of options to suit every need. If you're ready to make a purchase, don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for direct links to all the chainsaws we reviewed today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow DIYers. Which chainsaw caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for more budget-friendly tool reviews. See you in the next video.